this video, I will show you how to install OS Agent Report in TCR. Okay, so first we need to download the OS Agent Report and unpack it to a directory. So now we can see that I extracted the image to the local disk, and there are several installer binaries there, and because this is Linux, so I will run the setup Linux bin first. Then the installer will be launched. Okay, we click OK. And we get the welcome information. Click Next button, and it will show you default JSSM or TCR installation directory, and change it to a different location if it's not the default one. Click Next button. It will show what report we're going to install. Expand the reports directory. We can see that we're going to install the OS Agent Report. Check all and click Next button. Now we're prompted to provide the credential information that we use to access Dash, or we use to stop and start the JSSM. So I'm using the default one, SMadmin, and provide the correct password and click Next button. Now we're going to provide the warehouse database access information. This is the database credentials. We're going to connect to the remote warehouse database. So the credential we provided here is to access the warehouse database. This is going to be used to create the TDW data source, and the warehouse name is warehouse. There is no E for the default one. If you have a different database created, you need to name accordingly. And here we're going to provide the heading for the JDBC connectors, and we need to provide the JDBC URL. So this is database server information and database name. And the port of DB2 is 50000. Database name is warehouse. Because this is DB2, and if you have other types of warehouse, you need to change this type of coordinate. Now we need to specify the JDBC drivers. So the driver name is DB2 client or driver directory. We need to specify the path. In the Java directory, we need to specify the dcc.jar and the license file together. Now we get confirmation that we're going to install the ITM OS Agent Report, and the database script will be run by register package. Then click Install. Then we get the installation result. So all a success. Click down. Then the report is installation is completed. You need to go back to TCR to verify it. So thank you for watching this video.
Thank you for watching this video at the C&SI Monitoring Academy. We'd definitely appreciate your feedback, so please feel free to use the comments box below. We'd also love you to click the thumbs up if you appreciated the video. We have added several helpful links to all our content. I would definitely recommend you check out the blogs on DevWorks. Take care.